Welcome. Watch this video to learn how to use BMC HelixGPT Insight Finder, an agentic AI feature of BMC Helix Dashboards. We'll explore how to create insightful, real-time dashboards for BMC Helix AI Ops. Meet Jordan, a new administrator, who wants to quickly monitor the vulnerabilities impacting his organization's services. To streamline analysis and make quick data-driven decisions, he decides to build a custom dashboard featuring multiple panels displaying key vulnerability metrics. Jordan heads to BMC Helix Dashboards and selects BMC HelixGPT Insight Finder from the main menu. He's uncertain about how to begin, so he types in the chat window, "Give me some query suggestions to build a vulnerability dashboard." BMC HelixGPT Insight Finder analyzes the prompt and generates some query options. Jordan clicks the option to list the top 10 assets with the highest number of critical vulnerabilities. BMC HelixGPT Insight Finder examines the vulnerability data generated by BMC HelixGPT Vulnerability Resolver, an AI agent in BMC Helix AI Ops, and instantly creates a dashboard panel with a list of impacted assets and their details. Satisfied with the response, Jordan wants a visual breakdown of the open vulnerabilities next. He clicks New Topic and types, "Show a pie chart of open vulnerabilities by severity." BMC HelixGPT Insight Finder adds a pie chart next to its first panel. Jordan keeps adding panels until he has everything he needs. Then he clicks Save, names his dashboard, and adds a short description. And done. The dashboard is ready to be shared with his team. With Insight Finder, Jordan doesn't just save time, he gets real-time insights, reduces manual effort, and can make smarter decisions without requiring extensive expertise. All by having a conversation with AI? Try it yourself. Start building smarter dashboards the easy way. For more details, click the documentation link in the video description. Thanks for watching.